Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. If you're looking for powerful office software but don't want to spend money on Microsoft Office, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 free alternatives that can help you with your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. First up is LibreOffice. This open-source office suite includes Writer, Calc, Impress, Draw, Base, and Math, making it a full-featured alternative to Microsoft Office. It's compatible with a wide range of document formats, including those from Microsoft Office. Next, we have Google Workspace, which includes Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These web-based applications are free to use with a Google account and offer excellent collaboration features, allowing multiple users to work on the same document in real time. Another excellent option is WPS Office Free. This office suite includes Writer, Spreadsheets, and Presentation. It has a familiar interface for Microsoft Office users and is compatible with many file formats, including DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX. Next is OnlyOffice, an open-source office suite that provides powerful document, spreadsheet, and presentation editing capabilities. It also supports collaborative editing and is compatible with Microsoft Office formats. Finally, we have FreeOffice by SoftMaker. This office suite includes TextMaker, PlanMaker, and Presentations. It's free to use and offers a familiar interface for Microsoft Office users. It also supports many file formats, including those from Microsoft Office. And there you have it. These are 5 fantastic free alternatives to Microsoft Office. Whether you need to write documents, create spreadsheets, or make presentations, these tools have something to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.